to my channel. For those who are new here, this is Manisha Srivastav and today I'm going to unbox my April Fab Bag for all of you guys. So I am super excited guys for what all is going to be inside. I know about one product because they asked me to choose out of several beauty products, and I chose one product for this April Fab Bag, and I'm sure that is going to be there, but rest of all the things I have no idea about, and I'm really excited that I want to know what all is there. I'm sure you are also going to be super excited. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started. Let's get into the video and unbox the April Fab Bag. By the way, any guesses what is going to be the theme of this Fab Bag? Spring, of course. Or maybe it's something else. So let's see. Let's open and see what all is there. So this is the package which I received. Sorry for the noisy background. Some construction works is going on in my neighborhood, so I really apologize for that. So here we open it, and I'm so excited. I'm sure you must be excited too. Okay, there, and yes, I can see some products already. What is it? It's the 30-minute makeover facial kit from Organic. This is the pouch. I really love it. It says spring loudly. Okay, it's yelling spring. I loved it. So let's open this and see. Okay, it has got these cards, this and this personalized card, and then this is the product which I told you about. I chose it. This is Sugar Cosmetics Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. I have never used it before, but when I got the option, I wanted to use it. So this is how it looks like. It minimizes your pores. You can wear it. Okay, it's not opening like that, I think. Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad. So it opens like this. So it's a serum you can use to minimize your pores. You can wear it just by itself, or you can wear it under the makeup. So I'm excited to use this. Next is, okay, this is Polystop serum for hair. So it will reduce the damage caused by the pollution. Interesting. Last time they gave a hair growth serum. This is the dry cream. Okay, so Turkish dry cream which has watermelon and argan oil in it. It's from the Global Beauty Service. Last time also I received 2 products from this same brand. This is the last product. Any guesses? I think it's the nail paint. Let's see, because there's a nail paint in every Fab Bag so far I have received. Yeah, it's Inara Cosmo Beauty nail lacquer, and the variant's name is Pulse. So let's see the shade. Yay, my favorite, hot red. I'm going to try it. In fact, I'm going to try all the products. I'm pretty happy with the products I've got, and I am going to share a review of the products very soon on my channel. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for all the other videos. Now, oh yeah, this one is left. Let me open this for you and see. and show you what all is there. It's from Organic Harvest. The brand name is Organic Harvest. It's the one-time use kit. So this is the Shine and Glow cleansing milk. For 5 minutes we have to use it. Then we have Shine and Glow exfoliating face scrub. We have to use this for 5 minutes. Then this is the massage cream, which we use for 10 minutes. Then there's this mask, which we have to use for 10 minutes again. And then there is this serum. I think we have to apply it after wash. And then the sunscreen. Okay, so it's very cool. I have never used it before, so I'm excited to use it. And once I do that, I will share a review of this also, Organic Harvest. This is a cool kit and it costs $295, which is lesser than any facial treatment at a salon. So let me try and see if it works. I will definitely share my feedback with you guys. So now that's all. That was all in my April Fab Bag there. Stay tuned for other videos. Hope you liked this video. Hope you like this video, guys. I am pretty happy with April Fab Bag. Of course, I was very happy with the Feb and March Fab Bag also, and I have already started using those products. I'm going to share a review with you guys very soon, and I'm going to make a review video for the products of April Fab Bag also. So stay tuned, keep watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up, show some love if you liked my video, and please share it with your friends, and please keep watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.